this video will show you how to do a half double crochet and then a half double crochet increase and also a half double crochet decrease. So let's begin with a half double crochet. So you will begin the round with 2 chains. So this is 1 chain, so let's do a second chain. So yarn over and then pull through that loop. So you've got 2 chains on your to begin with. So to do a half double crochet, you yarn over, put your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. Oops, sorry. And then you have 3 loops on your hook. So then you yarn over, pull through all 3. So that's a half double crochet. Let's do that one more time. So yarn over, put your hook into the stitch, yarn, pull your yarn through to get 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So now how do you do a half double crochet increase? So that means you put 2 half double crochets into that same stitch that you just did your previous half double crochet. So see here how we just did one in here. So let's do another half double crochet in that same stitch. So yarn over, put your hook through that stitch, yarn over to get 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and then pull through all 3 loops. So now let's do a half double crochet decrease, which means combining the next 2 stitches into 1 stitch. So yarn over, put your hook into the stitch, pull through the yarn to get 3 loops on your hook, and then put your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the yarn to get 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, and then pull that yarn through all 4 loops. So that's how you do a half double crochet decrease. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more tips and tricks and techniques, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.